In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Shopify store and make it look clean, professional, and ready for customers. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store and then select Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Inside the editor, you can customize important sections like your homepage banner, featured products, collections, announcement bar, and footer. Next, open Theme Settings where you can adjust your logo, colors, typography, layouts, and buttons to match your brand identity. Choose colors and fonts that make your store easy to read and visually appealing for visitors. You can also organize your homepage layout so customers can quickly find products, collections, and important information. To make your store feel more modern, experiment with animations, product grids, and image sections while keeping the design simple and clean. After designing your store, go back to the Shopify dashboard and click Products to add your items, descriptions, pricing, and product images. Before publishing, preview your store on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure everything looks smooth and responsive. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save to make your changes live. Thanks for watching.